guys, so after so long we finally went clothes shopping like to an actual mall. Because of COVID it was a very different experience, but we managed to get a few things that were super cute, so we decided to do a try-on haul. We haven't filmed a haul in so long.
Yeah, this feels weird, like talking to a camera. It's been so long.
We haven't filmed in so long, period. But yeah, so let's share what we got. So first we went to H&M and we got a couple of, or actually two things, right? One dress and a shirt. Yeah. Do you want to show the shirt?
I can do the dress.
Yes, that's what I meant to say.
Okay, this is the first dress we got. It's this long purple dress with like poofy sleeves and a slit at the leg, which is very risque. I'm kidding. But yeah, we don't usually wear color a lot. And you found this dress and I was like iffy about it because they didn't have, their fitting rooms were closed. So I was kind of scared. We just hope for the best. And we tried it on once we got home and it was really cute. It was a good length and a good fit.
Yep, so the next thing we got from H&M, it's inside out because we tried it on for the try-on haul. But it's this black off-the-shoulder top and it was 20 but we got it for 10. And the only thing was, again, we couldn't try any of this on, so I thought it would be a typical off-the-shoulder top, but my sister was saying how it kind of fit weird where there was like some extra fabric at the back. So I'm just hoping for fall I can just wear some kind of jacket over it and it'll be fine.
It's still pretty cute, yeah. So yeah, the next store we went to was Suzy Shier and we got this cute dress. I thought it'd be perfect for like fall. It kind of looks like Burberry style, you know, like the print of Burberry, like a checkered, and the color was super cute and the fit was cute. But yeah, the original price was like $40, but it was on sale for 20 and then we got an extra 5% off, so it was like 14 bucks, which is pretty nice. Yep.
Next we went to Marshall's and I think this was our first time in Marshall's. I don't think
we've been to Winners, TJ Maxx, but never Marshall's.
Yeah, it was kind of overwhelming because when you step in, there's just a lot of clothes and all of them are on sale. There's like brand names and random brands we've never heard of. So we were kind of overwhelmed. So I think we only covered like half the store maybe. Yeah. We all went our little separate ways and we had to look through each rack. I don't know why it reminded me of like thrift store shopping.
Yeah, it felt like a thrift store. Cause
maybe
like
the hunting part.
And like one of each item, so it's either like a hit or miss. You either find it or you don't.
Yeah, so we tried on a bunch of stuff, but at the end we only got a few items. So I was really happy. I think this is the favorite thing that I purchased, and it was this white, I can't reach all the way down, but it's this, not even white, cream?
Yeah,
I don't even
beige.
know. Yeah.
Cream, yeah.
It's another off-the-shoulder top, but I think we don't have anything in this color scheme, and like the details at the back, there's some, what is it called, ruching?
Ribbing?
I don't know. Whatever it is, it fits really cute and it's just very like a dainty top, so.
And you said you've always wanted like the square neck? So
yeah,
this is the square neck.
Like I just think it's super flattering to wear. I thought it could be like a cute summer look, so I was really happy with this top. And it was what, 20 bucks? Just a little bit more than we normally spend on a basic top, but I thought it was super cute. And my goal was, for the shopping trip, was to get something different that we don't normally have in our closet. So we have off the shoulder, but we don't have this off the shoulder.
I think there's more color than we usually get too. So.
Yeah.
Okay, the last item we got were these jeans. It's from the brand Lucky Brand. We went shopping with our cousins a couple before Corona time. I don't even know when that was, like January or something. And we got them the Lucky Brand jeans, but I was too lazy to like try jeans on. Like jean shopping is hard because like I'm never in the mood to like change out of jeans. So I found these. They're the perfect size and they fit nicely. So just need a good pair of basic jeans.
And how much were they?
Oh yeah, I took the tag off, awkward. But I think it was like $99 and I got it for $30, which is, I think it's a pretty good deal, so yeah. Oh, that goes, I just love wearing clothes.
It almost hit me. Alright, so that's all we got for this clothing haul. Hope you guys enjoyed and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Peace.